How to make header transparent in Shopify. So here from the homepage of Shopify, we just want to click on online store, which will automatically take us to the themes page. So right here, we want to scroll down a little bit until we find our current theme and click on the three dots next to customize. From this page, we will choose the option to edit code. Now, right here, we want to search the files for header and click on header.liquid. Now, from the first page here, or from the first line of code, we just want to click at the start and press enter, so we leave a space. And this is the code that we want to paste on here. So I'm going to right click and paste it. I will include this code as a comment under this video. So we do this code here, or we paste this code, and after we have pasted it, we just save these changes. And if we preview our store, our header will be transparent. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.